Kameme TV DJ Frank the DJ ũrĩa ũkũrehagira tabarĩra ya kũmatha Ngai alongside PK Karitei every Sunday, na oho no akoragwo tabarĩra-inĩ ya Rĩrĩmbũka alongside Moch na Wanjiko James kanitha-inĩ wa Rĩrĩmbũka edition. Nĩ aremetwo kũhitha kĩeha gĩake, na ũũ nĩ thutha wa gĩkuũ kĩa mũini na mũrata wake wa hakuhĩ ũrĩa ũroĩkaine ta Ngashville, a popular Kenyan gospel artist ũrĩa woĩkaine na warĩ ngumo mũno mĩaka ya hau kabere. He has sadly passed away. Gĩkuũ kĩrĩa gĩtigĩte Frank the DJ na kĩeha kĩnene mũno o hamwe na aini angĩ aingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Frank the DJ took to his social media pages to mourn his friend, na oho kũmugĩra ũhoro akiuga rest in peace bro, with lots of crying emojis. Na ona mũini wĩ gatũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ũina nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Daddy Owen nĩ atarĩirie the last moments of Ngashville akiuga, Ngashville bro manze, I have seen you happy, sad, struggling, making it and all through life. You are a fighter. Jana I saw you fight in the hospital bed. I've seen it all with you Ngash, but it was time to be with the Lord. I had to pretend in front of everyone how strong I was at that moment. But when I went home, I couldn't sleep. Went through all our videos and photos. It was tough. Our WhatsApp group, yeah, the Three Musketeers with you and Danco Music will now not make sense. When we entered Hosi Juzi, I thought ni madawa tu utapewa, then you go home. But I guess the home I thought was totally different. You are now home with the Lord. Rest in peace, Ngash. Rest in peace, Ngashville, Mapoz. R.I.P. Mukwaru. R.I.P. Fabulous. Ngash nĩarakoretwo atwarĩtwo thibitarĩ about 3 days ago, but sadly he did not make it out. He passed away. Na arata na aini nĩmeyumĩrĩtie kũũmĩrĩria Frank the DJ matongoretio nĩ DJ Mark D akiuga my heartfelt condolences. Ona mũini Abby Hope akiuga rest in peace. Apostle J akauga my condolences, rest in peace. Ona mũini ũngĩ Francie Grace akauga rest in peace. Our deepest condolences kũrĩ family ya Ngashville, ona kũrĩ Frank the DJ as they mourn their friend, brother, son, father. May he rest in eternal peace. Ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the best and latest Kikuyu celebrity news.